Much of the country is at home. Airports are still open.
And of course, there are still people who have to fly right now, and that is why the Ford Airport has stepped up the way they clean. Our Michael Martin shows us how.
We've been working with them for probably a couple months now. Started right about the start when coronavirus started to appear here in the States.
The traffic these days is pretty light at Gerald R. Ford International Airport, but there are still people that need to fly, even in the midst of the coronavirus.
Just adding one more thing to our cleaning process hopefully gives people comfort, especially as people get back into travel.
For the past few months, the folks at EnviroMaster of West Michigan have been cleaning the airport using this, an electrostatic vaporizer, to spray a mist of electrically charged germicide.
The electrostatic part is key because, so like I said, what it does is it puts as the germicide flows through the gun, it puts that charge on so that it clings to all surfaces. It'd be different than if you just take a spray bottle, like a quart bottle spray, and you can spray around and it's just the droplets are going to fall where they may. With the electrostatic, as it's falling, it's literally reaching, grabbing what it can find.
They come in the overnight hours several times a week to keep everything clean.
They're hitting all of those high touch point areas, our security pin pads, the gate areas where people are sitting, the ticket counters, all of the spaces really that are high trafficked for even the little traffic that we do have right now.
It's a quick process, and the company says it's safe for both people and pets.
It's a hospital grade disinfectant. It's listed on EPA's N list, which means that it has the kill claims for the coronavirus or the virus that causes COVID-19 amongst, 40 plus other disease-causing pathogens.
Just another step the airport's taking to ensure the safety of passengers and staff.
Hopefully it doesn't last too much longer, but as it continues on, people might be a little bit nervous about traveling, and hopefully they find some comfort knowing that the Ford Airport is going above and beyond to kind of add in some of those extra safety measures.
That was our Michael Martin reporting. Schools and pretty much anywhere where large amounts of people gather are also known for using that very same cleaning method. So some good tech there.